How to change country on Instagram. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to change your country on Instagram, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I'm going to do first is to go into my Instagram app. And now when we're on the Instagram app, the first thing that we need to do is to click where it says edit profile. And now we need to scroll down, and then actually you will need to have a business account for this to work. So we need to click where it says switch to professional account. Perfect. Now I'm going to click on continue. And I'm going to click on done. It's just going to load here a little bit. Basically, the reason that you want to switch to a business account is because if you don't have a business account, then you will not get the country option on Instagram, basically. So now we need to click where it says business and then click on next. Unfortunately, it does not work if you're just a creator, basically. So you need to have a business account. Perfect. As you can see, we get to this page right here, right now. And the thing that we need to click on right here is where it says business address. Perfect. Now you need to write your basically the location that you want to change to, or the country that you want to change to. So now I'm just going to write Stockholm, Sweden. That's perfect. And now I'm just going to click where it says done. And in here I'm going to click where it says next. Perfect. I'm just going to click on skip here, and then I'm going to close this one down. Perfect. As you can see, my profile, it now says Stockholm, Sweden. Basically, I have now changed my country to Stockholm, Sweden on my Instagram account, basically. So this is exactly how you can do it. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.